Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a fall makeup tutorial. I know fall is still not here yet, but it's close, so this is like an early fall makeup tutorial. But I hope you love this look, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is actually sponsored by Mavenbeauty, and I'm going to be using the Maven Basic B eyeshadow palette in Bold Blend. And I'm going to be applying the lightest pink shade on my crease, and after that I'm going to be using the Basic B Define eyeshadow palette by Mavenbeauty, and I'm going to be using the purplish plum eyeshadow on my crease. I'm pretty much just applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid. If you haven't tried Mavenbeauty products, you need to go try them. They have great products. I love their eyeshadow palettes. They're so easy to blend, so pigmented, and also their lipsticks are everything. But they recently came out with blushes, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit, but I love the blushes so much. They're probably like one of my favorite blushes right now. I love the shimmer, everything. I don't know, you guys just need to go try Mavenbeauty products, okay? So for my primer today, I'm going to be using my Mavenbeauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I do use this before my makeup. I just personally like using it that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over my face and then apply foundation, concealer, and then set my concealer with setting powder. And I'll just, come back to talk to you guys about the rest of the stuff. So moving on to blush, I'm finally going to talk about the blush I've been obsessed with. So this is the Maven Cheek color in the shade Reina. This color is everything. It's so pretty. For highlighter, I'm using my Mavenbeauty highlighter in Dripped Out. This is my favorite highlighter. This is actually my second one already. That's how much I really like this highlighter. But yeah, after that I'm just going to be removing the powder. For lipstick, I'm using my Mavenbeauty lipstick in the shade Buena. This is my favorite lipstick. I love the color. It went perfect with this look. So yeah, that completes this eyeshadow look. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!